Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like, comment and share this video. In this video I will show you how to crochet this beautiful muffler for 2 years old baby girl. Like, comment and share this video. For this video here I am using 2 colors of yarn, scissors, 4mm of crochet hook and a gun glue. Here first I am using off-white color of yarn. Hold yarn like this and make a slip knot. Insert your hook and turn it like this. Hold it with thumb, yarn over and pull it through the loop. Here we got a slip knot. Then we're gonna make chain, yarn over and pull it through the loop, yarn over and pull it through the loop like this. Continue making chain until you complete the total of 33 chains. Here my 33 chains complete. Now we're gonna make double crochet, yarn over, skip 2 chains, insert your hook into the 3rd chain like this, pull the yarn. Now we're gonna have 3 loops on hook, 1, 2 and 3, yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over and pull it second 2 loops. Here we have first double crochet stitch, again same pattern, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn, again yarn over first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loops. Continue making same pattern until you complete the total of first row. Here my first row complete. Next we're gonna make next row. For next row make 3 chains on top for double crochet. Turn your work and continue making again double crochet stitches on every chain below like this. Make 1 double crochet in every chain. Still remember, when you start a new row, 3 chains on top and continue making double crochet stitch like this. Continue making same pattern until you complete the total of 50 rows with double crochet stitch. Here my 50 rows complete. Make last double crochet and slip stitch in the end. Now cut the leftover yarn with scissors like this and secure it tightly in the end. Now hide the leftover yarn with your crochet hook. Next I am using red color of yarn for tassels. Wrap yarn around your finger like this. Continue wrapping until you complete the total of 50 rounds. Here my 50 rounds complete. Now cut the leftover yarn. Remove it with your fingers like this and cut it through the center. For every tassel take 4 pieces of yarn like this. Making tassel pattern I will show you clearly in this video. Make tassel on both sides of muffler. Here my tassels complete. Now cut it in straight line. Here my tassels complete. Now I am attaching crochet mini heart. Watch full tutorial of crochet mini heart on my YouTube channel. Attach crochet mini heart with gun glue on muffler. I will show you clearly in this video. Here my crochet muffler is ready to use, perfect for winters. This muffler is not just handmade, it's heart made. Every stitch carry patience and a little love. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.